they don't get a white head on them for like 3 years.
Wow, amazing.
And but they like the fir trees right over there to hang out there just to.
If they do, yeah.
Yeah. Well, this is a smorgasbord for them earlier. I got the wife retiring too. So,
Oh, really? How long have you been married?
oh God, if I'd be in trouble. I will be in March 38 years.
Okay, I won't tell her if you forget that. We've been married 33, my wife and I. So,
Okay.
yeah. Yeah. This is a really nice place. I'm glad they got it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, we've got like 5 or 6 of them, but this is the only one open to the general public.
Wow. Interesting.
And there's like actually 500 acres, 400 acres open to the general public.
Wow. Interesting. That's a lot of area.
Yeah, it used to be a dairy farm.
Have you ever spotted deer?
Oh yeah.
Oh, really?
Blacktail.
Blacktail. Yeah. Any coyote come through here? Yeah, too. Yeah.
And they talked about cougar, but I'm not around here.
Yeah, I'm not. Yeah, that's kind of scary. Area. I wouldn't mind seeing one, but I'm going to cover my neck if after I see one, because they can snap your spine pretty quick.
Oh, big time.
Yeah.
There's a lady that she used to be one of the rovers here, but she's got this fixation with pumas, cougar.
Right.
And she's taken pictures of their tracks, and I'm going, that's a fresh print, and you're.
Yeah.
And then she's got her hand, and I'm going, well,
yeah.
You might be the one being hunted instead of vice versa. I'd be careful with that.
They said if you realize you're going to be grabbed from behind, you don't have time to turn around. You better get both your hands over your neck as quick as possible.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Or just vacate the area.